Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn on dark mode on Google Drive. We start by opening Drive in our browser, then we will click on the settings icon and then again on this settings option. After that, we will go to the appearance category, and here we can select the dark option to apply dark mode in the Drive interface. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.